In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an existing document in Google Docs. Whether you're a newbie or simply need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can effortlessly access your documents whenever you need them. First things first, let's start by opening your web browser. It can be any browser you prefer, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you have your browser open, you'll want to navigate to the Google Docs homepage. The easiest way to do this is by typing Google Docs into your search bar and clicking on the link that appears, or you can directly enter docsgoogle.com into the address bar. This will take you straight to the Google Docs homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, you should see a list of your recent documents. If you're already logged into your Google account, that's great. But if not, you'll need to sign in with your credentials first in order to view your documents. Your login details are the same as those for your Gmail account, so just enter your email and password if prompted. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard of Google Docs. Here, you'll notice a plus sign icon that allows you to start a new document, but we're not focusing on that right now. Instead, look below this icon, where your saved documents are listed. You might find it helpful to organize these documents beforehand, so they're easier to locate. Google Docs aligns these by default in order of last opened or edited. To continue, find the specific document you want to open. It could be just a title within the list, or you might need to scroll down a bit if it's an older document. Once you see the title of your desired document, simply click on it. This action will open the document in a new tab or window within your browser, depending on your settings. Remember, if you have many documents, leveraging the search bar in the top right corner can also be a quick way to locate your document by entering keywords or phrases. Now that your document is open and displayed on your screen, you're ready to read, edit, or share it. It's that simple. Feel free to make necessary changes as needed. The changes are saved automatically in real time, so there's no need to worry about losing your edits. If at any point you wish to return to your list of documents, simply go back to the tab or window where Google Docs is open and you can continue browsing from there. And there you have it. Opening an existing document in Google Docs is as easy as that. Have fun exploring your content and don't hesitate to dive deeper into other features Google Docs offers, like sharing options and comments, to enhance your experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped simplify your Google Docs journey.